ਹੁਣ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਵਿਅਕਤੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਦਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਉਠਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਸਾਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟਿੰਗ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਸੇ ਲੜੀ 'ਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਟੂ ਹੀਅਰ ਰਾਈਟ ਫਰੋਮ ਦੀ ਹਾਰਸਸ ਮਾਊਥ I'll call upon Mr. Karan Gilotra, a philanthropist, the chairman of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry Punjab chapter, founder ने upcoming Palaksh University दे, youngest सरपंच होंदा इना दे खाते च लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड विच इना दा नाम दर्ज है। बहुत ही अवार्डा नाल सम्मानित करण गिल्होत्रा।
Honorable Shri Charanjit Singh Ji Channi, Chief Minister Punjab, Shri O.P. Soni Ji, Deputy CM Punjab, Shri Manpreet Singh Ji Badal, Finance Minister Punjab, Shri Vijayendra Singh Singla Ji, PWD Minister Punjab, Shri Gurkirat Singh Ji Kotli, Industries and Commerce Minister Punjab, Shri Raja Bading Ji, Transport Minister Punjab, Shri Anirudh Tiwari Ji, Chief Secretary Punjab, Shri Husn Lal Ji, Principal Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Tejveer Singh Ji, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce, respected MPs, MLAs and officers on the dais, and my colleagues present here. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity to speak at this prestigious forum. At PhD Chamber, we see this summit as one of the most significant movements by the state. This summit has indeed been a consistent and a sincere effort to invite investment in varied industries that drive Punjab's economy. I will take this opportunity to congratulate the state government for this sustainable effort. Over the last few years, Punjab has established itself as one of the fast emerging industrial and manufacturing powerhouses in the country. The possibilities in Punjab are increasing day by day. The breadbasket of India, Punjab is the land of unlimited opportunities. This year's 4th edition of Progressive Punjab Investor Summit would encourage businessmen and industrialists to invest in our state. It goes without saying that the state has immense investment potential, and now it is on us to fully explore and leverage the existing opportunities. Attracting investments is the need of the hour to ensure sustainable industrial growth, which is the key to achieve overall development and remain competitive on the global stage in times to come. Invest Punjab has played a significant role in promoting Punjab as a leading investment destination. The Bureau has been adjudged the top performer in the rankings of investment promotion agencies across 20 states in the country announced by Invest India and IFC. The new industry-friendly policies initiated by the government, which had promoted ease of doing business, has attracted investors' confidence. Recent decision to set up a district bureau of industry and investment promotion in each district would further promote ease of doing businesses in the state and will facilitate timely grant of clearances, approvals and no objection certificates applied through the Invest Punjab Business First portal, which is an end-to-end online single window system. Sir, many recommendations have been listed by our expert panel at the chamber. I shall have them forwarded to Invest Punjab considering limited allocated time. Sir, PhD Chamber has been regularly organizing events with Government of Punjab focusing on the topics which are of interest to the industry. This year, PITEX 21 is the Chamber's 15th such endeavor to boost international trade and promote industry in the region. PITEX has emerged as one of the most popular expositions of North India that creates an annual platform where global and local enterprises showcase their products and promote their brands. The mega event has not only helped put Amritsar on the exhibition circuit, but has also helped in promoting businesses and tourism in this part of the country. Theme for inaugural session of PITEX this year is tourism. We are also planning to organize North India Tourism Conclave in December 22, which the state government has in principle agreed to partner with. PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been working as a catalyst for the promotion of Indian industry, trade and entrepreneurship for the last 116 years. It is a forward-looking, proactive and dynamic. Yes. Honorable Chief Minister, sir, I stand here assuring you and your entire team of visionaries that PhD Chamber will stand like a strong pillar in walking the line of a robust partnership in creating the most conducive environment for Punjab's economic growth. Sir, I would also like to mention about a very significant effort in the field of education, Plaksha University, which I am proud to be a part of in my personal capacity. The university has been set in Mohali by 60 business leaders from across the world with an investment of over 2,000 crore in the next 10 years. In the end, I would like to welcome all of you here and thank to all the government officials for giving us this opportunity. I will now end by saying there are no great limits to growth because there are no limits of human intelligence, imagination and wonder. May God give us the strength to drive our Punjab into a glorious future. Thank you.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕਰਨ ਜੀ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੁਲਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਥੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਵਾਂ, ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ 2 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ 'ਚ 3 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਕੀ